Hello, dear. Today we look at the story of Priya, who had to automate receivables from Tally across 40 different companies. So she's successful in this thing. So Priya used to chase about 40 reports manually every Monday. Now they arrive at her inbox automatic. But how did that happen? You see, in Tally, she had to do this way. That means within Tally, she had to go there and escape. And she had to every morning press D plus S plus O plus R. And within the D plus S plus or R, then she had to work with various options like F8, F6, F5, and so forth, right? Which used to take her a lot of time. It was a manual process and she had to do it across multiple companies, right? And then now what she does is she uses Turbodata to get the data from all the companies into a single table, right? So you come down to it here and across all the groups and she has automated Alt F3, F6, F8, and F12 in a single report, the receivable and the payable, right? And what she has done is she's saving about 44 hours a month with more than 26,000 keystrokes are avoided. And what's happening, a peace of mind has been restored. So want a no-code automation for Tally? One of our users has automated receivables across 84 companies. For us, it used to take months on end, days on end. Now it takes them just 10 minutes. Follow our website, follow our WhatsApp link. This thing, do follow us for a demo and be like Priya, successful, happy, and achieve. Thank you.